we had four cameras on our project. We had, I mean, yeah, we had four different camera controllers. So I got rid of them all at once. We had RTS camera, we had the old RTS system, and we had two others from examples. A lot of files that are changed. So, yes. But I thank you for factoring. The good thing about doing that kind of thing is when you do the heavy scale refactoring is you've learned the code base really well. So now I know it inside out.
Right.
Things get faster. You get to a certain point in a project where you understand the whole code base, and I wasn't there before, then I am.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's definitely a lot better now.
well, a lot of changes are going to come in over the next few days. I'll be able to do things much faster now.
It's great. I'll host the match. Do you let me know when you're in?
Yeah, having a little issue with this. I have an untracked file.
Do a get clean F.
What?
Run the command get clean F. Hit and dash F.
Dash F?
Yeah.
Perfect. Is these files with no with spaces?
This is not deleting it? Or
No, I deleted it.
I'll host the match.
I think the Zoom speed should be faster.
Oh, the zoom should be faster?
I think the Zoom speed is a little bit slow. What do you think?
Yeah.
It just feels.
It feels sluggish. You feel like, can I get there yet already? Yeah, it can be quicker, I think. I like when it's snappy, when you can respond to something very quickly, like an attack. And if your main obstacle is scrolling out to see where they are.
Yeah, we have to get the amount of the max zoom though. I like really high max zoom, but gives you a big advantage if you. Well, I don't know. Maybe we don't have to. But like in this kind of game, you're going to want to zoom out a lot. That will give you a better view of everything, right?
Sure.
If it feels too far, then they can see the whole world at once. Or we may have to limit that, so they have to use a map.
The unit is still loading.
Well, couldn't we create a fog of war effect so it doesn't matter how far they're zoomed out, they still only see the fog past a certain point?
Yeah, that would do it. Fog of war is definitely help. I mean, we still have a bit of a problem though in terms of performance. The good LEDs were probably okay, but
Joining.
Diego, we need a ticket to be created. That people that sit in the player list, you should be able to kick them. Because right now they can sit in the player list and you can't do anything to them.
Anyone can kick them? Or the host?
No one can kick anyone but the host.
not good anyway.
So the host then?
Yeah.
What about banning ID or ban like someone who's just being obnoxious and coming back into the game over and over again?
We have that already. If you get kicked twice in a row, they can't come back.
Oh, okay.
God damn it, I'm the fucking screen share. I'm clicking on your screen.
So you just X button here. If I were to hit it twice, you can't come back in the same match.
Okay, that makes sense.
Who's Avalon test?
That would be me.
Hurry up. You get ready, Riley.
Sorry about that.
I noticed the building loading's faster, David.
Yeah, I'm creating. I'm not creating the 3D sprites anymore. We're creating all 3D sprites.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're just filling out a scene with 3D sprites for every animation.
These all 3D sprites?
Sorry, all the 3D sprites for the characters, animations, we're
Wow.
being loaded. We're not using them. They're gone now.
Cool. So I see someone's base here. So what you're trying, guys, is to click to drag. So instead of you dragging with the corner of your mouse, corner of the screen, so you click and then you drag the terrain itself. And you can move around.
That's something you can do in black and white, which was one of my favorite movement control schemes, as bizarre a thing to have a favorite of.
It'd be great if I could see the name in these info boxes.
All right, now I can print out a more pretty name, but for now I like to keep it as that name because it tells you more information.
Oh yeah, being able to pan around is really nice.
Yeah. And you can do the same thing on the mini map. You click and drag the mini map around. And I can actually see your bases now quickly, which is nice.
Oh yeah, that is very pleasant. I can zoom out. Although the zoom's a little bit slower than I'd like.
Yeah, that's what Dave was talking about, was speeding it up a lot. How do they... Yeah, we need to remove the diplomacy system again.
Yeah. Where's it coming up?
Pan is not quite working in some ways. Pan, I think, is let me see.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Pan
pan is relative to not to your local not to the local rotation of the camera. It's using global rotation or something else. Because if you rotate about like 70 or 180 or whatever have you degrees and try panning around, it's still using the normal panning controls.
Wow, the mini map effect is awesome.
What's that?
Dragging the mini map.
Oh, but you can drag the actual terrain itself too. You don't need the minimap.
Yeah, which is what I like. I like being able to pan the camera just by dragging the terrain.
I'll fix that. Something's not using the right rotation.
It's definitely very smooth, man.
You like it better?
I'm loving it.
Yeah, see the issue that Riley's talking about, like if you try panning around after you rotate the screen.
Mm-hmm.
I just fix that right now.
Okay.
I'll check that.
I'm also seeing some. These are the shadows of the trees.
Yeah, that's just you just gotta feed it the rotation of the camera. I can't imagine that's too difficult.
No, I
Use
got
a
it.
local rotation variable. I don't know how you set it up.
Well, the thing you have to do is you have to get the rotation and then flatten it out. Like get rid of the pen and then move in that direction.
Okay.
You don't want to be moving downward.
Yeah, that would not work too well.
Easy to do.
Oh, I love the shift holding, scrolling around. It's so much quicker now.
A lot of improvements, David.
Yeah, did you guys try to hover over the buildings?
Yeah, the health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, David was setting this up so that if we want to have like touchscreen devices to be able to play this, they could now. So just click and drag with our finger.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool, David. This is definitely good progress for this ticket.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's it, right? And the mini map thing, David, I think we're moving to the top left corner where the quit button is, because the quit button is going to go into the bottom right menu, anyways.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be always there. So it's a little bit risky, a little bit dangerous. It's so easy to hit.
Yeah.
But yeah, it doesn't need that real stick. I think having a map and chat open at once is great.
Yeah. So I'll have Francesco do that when he gets back, fix it. By then the UI stuff should be done, right?
Yeah.
All right, so everybody has their task. David, you're going to keep wrapping this up, UI refactoring. Raleigh, you're going to wrap up the main menu fixes. You're going to do the player list first.
Yep.
And
then reformat the news so that we can get 3 different things in there.
let me just go back to that really quick. All right,
I
so
think I'm gonna close some tickets here.
player list. So you go here, so you can see who's in the match with you,
Yep.
who's in the game lobby rather, the main menu lobby. And then after that one's done, you're gonna do the news to get those 3 boxes in place.
Mm-hmm.
And then after you're done with that one, the one where you should be able to kick people out of the player list that's in your game or not
Okay.
sitting.
Okay.
So there's already a kick button that's associated with players when they sit down a slot. You could probably just mimic that functionality for that,
Yeah, move the kick button in front of
the player list.
yeah,
Right.
next to their player icon.
Yeah.
As part of their generation. Yeah.
You're right.
Do you want me to write a ticket for that 3rd task? Or...
No, Diego's gonna write it. So,
Okay.
What was the third task?
the kick button.
Oh, yeah, I did already.
Oh, okay.
You mean for the lobby? Send invite on the lobby?
Yeah.
Is it assigned to me?
I'll assign it to you.
So,
It's already clear on this. I'll assign it to you. Give me a second.
The trooper indicator we need to put back to in progress because we can't see that yet. And the allow to collect wood resources, we need to put that back in progress. Create new nav mesh, that's not already, so let's put that into complete. The theme post match screen, we're not going to get there for this right yet. Because, I don't know why it says that sprint is already done.
Say what?
It says 0 days remaining.
Yeah, there's been no timer on the sprints for the last. I think since I got here, actually, it's always been 0 days remaining.
No, it's usually working.
Yeah, it's usually a week.
Agile days remaining in Sprint Gadget, the first page on the Jira dashboard. It's always said 0 days remaining for me.
Well, it should say it was working for me. Just that for some reason I think system made the time zone of this thing as well. Oh. How do we do it? Default. Yep. Okay. Now let's see. That's so annoying.
Is that me? I'll mute myself.
What? Oh, what's up with this?
Oh. I thought I was making static noises again.
Let me see something. How do I configure? Unless the board itself is running on GM2. Okay. Okay. How can I modify this sprint? There you go. Do you remember?
How do you what?
Modify the sprint.
I think it's the top left corner.
Top left.
Well, what do you want to do exactly?
Change the date on it. It's oh, here we go. It thinks it's today. It thinks it's the 21st.
I think it's because it might have started earlier. I think you started on the weekend, right?
Yeah, but it says the end date is August 21st.
Oh, so it's not even. Seems like a bug.
Let me just do this. Here we go. Monday. Yeah, see, this thing works. Okay. All right. So your work on this one, AL284. We're here working this one. Next sprint. Next sprint. I actually jumped a point in the minimap. It's working now, right? Because we're doing the drag stuff now.
Yeah, but we also need directly teleport. But I don't know if that's still high priority. The dragon.
Digger, what do you think?
I'm actually closing a different ticket, the one that was drawing stuff on the minimap. I didn't see the issue anymore. So I'm gonna focus myself.
Can you put this sprint as well?
Yep. What was the number of the other one?
261. Do you think we need that one still?
260. I mean, if the idea I don't know if the idea is to be able to move in the minimap and then click on that and then it gets you there, or just go there as you
I
Kind of
think
jar.
I
It's
think
kind of jarring, but it's often easier to drag it.
the dragging fixes that already.
yeah,
Right.
it's either one or the other. Yeah, I don't think we should do both.
All right, so let's delete this ticket for now.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna get to mining this week, fixing it, right, David?
Mining, probably not.
All right, what's next?
Well,
week?
okay, we'll see.
Yeah, I think we just need to fix the game itself with the UI refactor.
Yeah.
Shoot location, we'll do it next week. The message page, implement no horizon, attack mouse mode icon. Okay. So, yeah. Where's the news ticket? News tickets. News. Oh, we don't have it here? There you go. Can you create a new ticket that we need to make the news look like this? I'll put it to. I'll put it to track. Basically, we need to redo the news area inside the main lobby to look like this. And if you just put that in the sprint, that'd be great.
On this?
Yeah. I think Raleigh can knock out both of them before Friday. End of the day.
The news and the players.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Do you mean my tomorrow's Scrum meeting, or do you mean
Tomorrow close of business. Yeah, tomorrow the day.
Okay.
Are we? Is that all done?
Yep, that's not.
Okay. Also, Diego, when you do these tickets, when you do, there's epics here, so you just like which one it is, and like this one's like, where is it? Oh, there's main menu. And when you do it, then it adds the stuff to it.
Okay.
It's just easier so that we don't think we see it's game scene.
Oh, you mean like the components?
Yeah, well, not the component, the epic. I'm gonna use the epic. Well, it's the component. Is it the white one, the component? Let me see.
Not sure what it is.
I know if you do this one, it has the little colorful ones, little colorful tabs to it.
Mm-hmm.
When you do epics, it's just easier to see over here what's what, without me clicking into it. All right, cool. I think that's it. So let's get to it, guys.
Great.
All right.
Thank
Bye.
you.